Hello and welcome to the video introducing the interface of the Siemens Indoor Air Quality Multi-Sensor. Similar to previous videos, I'd like to give you a bit of an idea about the features of this multi-sensor, and please remember that this sensor gives you 7 different variables within your space: temperature, humidity, CO2, VOC, fine dust, the ambient light and the ambient noise. When you unbox this device, this is the box that you will find within, and always do remember that here we have a QR code. This is the easiest and fastest way for you to find technical documentation and the installation guide. After you've installed and commissioned your device, it will start to look a little bit like this on the wall. And I'd like to show you a little bit of the information which is available to the people within the space from this device. So firstly, if you look at this, you recognize perhaps this antenna. So this is the LoRaWAN version of this device. When we look at the front here, we see several different LED indicators. So let's start from the top. Right here at the top, you see a color LED. This is the easiest and fastest way to give an indication to people within the space on the current health of their indoor environment. So here is a yellow, green, or red LED to give that indication. Is it a healthy space, or are there some issues or improvements required? If we come down, we see a row of LEDs here, and these are actually 5 different bar graphs, let's call it. So there are 5 LEDs, 5 being the maximum reading for that current variable, 1 being the lowest. And here this indicates all of our indoor air quality variables, so humidity, temperature, CO2, VOC, and fine dust. The last piece I'd like to highlight for you is the number here. The number is the indoor air quality score. So this is a very quick way where we've taken into account all of the different current readings of the variables within this space and put it into a single number that's easy to understand. So you can understand not just from yellow, green or red, but what's the really a little bit more detailed information around this space. So here you'll see this number go up and down as the indoor air quality in the environment within the space improves or degrades. I mentioned the last thing before, but actually this is the last thing I'd like to show you. On the side of the device here, you see a button. And when you have a user who'd like a little bit more information, they'd like real-time value for these individual variables focused around indoor air quality, one push of this button will scroll through all these variables and give you a real-time space. So let me push that now as we finish the video. And you'll see here, temperature gives a real-time reading, humidity, real-time reading. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon for the next video.